What are some lesser-known facts about Saving Private Ryan that only someone who served during World War II would know? That scene where the soldier gets a bullet through his helmet, takes it off to look, then gets shot in the head, always gets the same reaction. Put it back on, like that steel pot would have saved him. Truth is, those M1 helmets weren't bulletproof, not even close. I served with the 4th Infantry, landed at Utah Beach a week after D-Day. We lost plenty of men wearing their helmets properly. Our helmets were designed for small fragments, debris, and falling objects, not direct rifle fire. They evolved from World War I, where most head wounds came from rocks, dirt, and tiny metal pieces thrown up by artillery. Those German 7.92mm rounds from Mausers punched through our helmets like cardboard. The bullet that went through that soldier's helmet would have killed him regardless. The helmet just happened to be empty the first time. What gets me about that scene is how true it is. The random nature of death in combat. One guy takes a round through his helmet and lives, then dies seconds later. Another trips and falls, missing a burst of machine gun fire. No rhyme or reason. When we watched guys get hit, we'd check our own equipment just like that soldier did. Not because it would make any difference, but because we needed to do something to process what happened. A human moment in inhuman circumstance.